Student friend Falver. Yesterday we discussed about Pressy writing, comprehension. I taught you about Pressy writing, and we even at- attempted one of the Pressy writing, and even we attempted one of comprehension as well. But today, in today's session, I'll be teaching you about how to organize essay, how to write essay. Prior to write essay, what step you need to take, what kind of knowledge you need to acquire, areas, core areas to improve yourself in a way to write CSS essay. So let's learn about this. Dear student friend Falber, if you are interested to pass CSS exam, you must have good knowledge. So how you organize your knowledge? Knowledge not in a cramming form. You just cram something and after that you want to reproduce. Rather, you should learn concept. You must have enough idea in your mind. Whatever you want to write, you you can persuade, you can narrate, you can expose, you can persuade, you can organize, you can reorganize, you can reproduce, you can give your own creative idea. You must have critical thoughts, thinkings, and you should be having idea related to general knowledge. You should learn concepts related to the topics. So just not cram thing, rather you should learn creative idea. So prior to write essay, you must know how to organize essay, how we have to prepare outline, we have to find thesis statement, and after finding the thesis statement, from this thesis statement we have to prepare our outline. Outline is just like a map of essays. So once you find out map of essay, and after that you can write it respectively by following the steps you have created in your map, in your outline. So you should create specific relevant outline for your essay in a way to organize your essay. Find thesis statement. After finding thesis statement, you will prepare outline, and for that you need to prepare first introduction. So once you prepare your outline, very first step to organize your introduction, and it's very challenging job. Most students, they are unable to write introduction. So for introduction, you must know, we have certain themes in essay. We have to prepare at least 8 to 9 themes. For example, themes like themes will be democracy, education, or psychology, and some are related to philosophy, and like that, economics. So like these are the themes, and whatever we are getting, what topics we are getting in our CSS exam, they will be related to this theme. They'll be talking about the examination system in our education. So this is definitely having education theme. Crisis of education system in Pakistan's energy crisis. So this is very definitely theme of energy crisis in Pakistan. So whatever you are getting, they'll be having certain themes. So you should keep it in your mind. You have to acquire certain ideas from various books. You will know Harari, one of a Jewish scholar and historian. He has written a book, 21st Rule for the 21st Century. Read this book. This book is very useful. Homo sapiens. And then 21st, 21 Rule for the 21st Century. It's very useful books. So read. This will give you a lot of idea related to democracy, how democracy evolved, and what is the criteria of democracy, and how we are traveling from ancient age to this developing age, and what are the pros and cons of a democracy. You will be learning a lot of things. So read like these books. You can borrow in even certain thing from these books. So these books are very useful. You should read like these books. So it will give you enough knowledge to organize your eye. Even you can borrow certain thing from these books, and after that you can organize your introduction. So for introduction, you you should uh, you should create such a plot that give concise and to the point idea. So whenever you write introduction,